This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brooke Harris. Welcome home to this spacious split floorplan centrally located near Crosstown with no HOA restrictions. This home boasts a side-car garage with an extra extended driveway perfect to park your boat/RV. Enjoy a privacy-fenced backyard with a covered screened-in patio that feels like an extension of living space. The large kitchen offers new stainless steel appliances, white cabinets and a large cook's island with great natural light making it the heart of the home. The interior has been freshly painted a beautiful neutral. Check out the ceramic wood tile throughout the master bedroom, large walk-in closet and even a soaker tub. This home was built and kept in the family, thus, you will notice extreme pride in ownership throughout. Take a peek and fall in love. For more information, review the details below or contact Brooke Harris at 772-453-6434.